Hey everyone, this is an old Delta bandsaw that my neighbor had in his barn for about 30 years. He made me a deal that if I fixed it up and got it running, I could just keep it in my place and use it for a while. Got this treadmill motor and these components from a treadmill I found on the side of the road. I'm gonna try and make it run off of that. So here I'm just taking the old wiring off and cleaning it up a bit, figuring out how I'm going to attach the new components, and then I like to spend a lot of time testing and refitting and rechecking things because it's kind of a pain if you make something, try and make it look awesome, and then it doesn't fit at all. Alright, so here I'm drilling holes for the motor mounts. It's pretty simple, 1 by 1 inch square tubing, 1/8 wall. I drilled 3 pilot holes. I had to do 3 because the motor doesn't fit the mounts for the original saw base, so I made this sort of as an adapter, so to speak. So here I'm just test fitting the motor again, making sure that everything aligns with those mounts and the holes where I need them. Had to kind of open up the holes for this original motor mount so I could use heavier hardware, 3/8. And then you can kind of see there where I had countersunk that mount bolt that goes straight through the motor and not into the saw base. These 2 smaller bolts go down through into the saw base where the slotted holes are. Alright, so now that I got these motor mounts to fit roughly, I'm going to make both of them exactly the same. I clamp them together like this so that I only have to drill the holes one more time, and I don't have to transfer any marks. They'll be identical. Alright, so here's where I'm going to use the step drill bit and sort of open that hole up larger to fit the 3/8 head straight through. And I think I'm going to weld them into place on that square bar at some point in the future. Alright, so here I'm just test fitting these mounts one more time. I'm going to drop it onto the saw and try and get it bolted down. This is the fan from the front of the motor. I have to trim the collar a little bit so that I can fit it on the shaft with the longer set of pulleys. Alright, so here's all the internal circuitry from the treadmill. I also used this wiring diagram, which is inside one of the panels. Now I've got it all connected roughly. I grounded the motor to the frame of the saw, and it turns on and off. I haven't had a chance to check what the actual RPM of the blade is, but I could definitely cut steel with it. It goes very slow, and if I get the right blade, I don't think it would be an issue. I'm working on making a console for this control panel. I can break it down a little bit smaller, and that way I'm not stepping on it on the floor and potentially breaking it. So I messed around with the RPM a bit and cut this hemlock. Cuts pretty smooth considering that blade is probably 30 or 40 years old. I'm going to mess around with it a little bit more, tighten things up, see if I can't get cutting some steel with this thing.